Hey everybody, it's Teresa. We're up at the cabin. I'll give you a shot of what's going on. On camera, that looks like it's very orange, but in person, it has more of a pinkish red hue. It's very, very pretty. Many times people ask how quiet and secluded it is up here. We have one full-time neighbor that lives here, but we haven't heard a peep out of them since we got here. And then let me know if you can see any other houses. It has a very secluded feel. There are a couple houses around us, but they are pretty well hidden and tucked off the road. There's a road here. Look, there's a rabbit. Keep staring, keep staring. You'll see it move. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. There he is right there. You see him on camera? Okay, guys, let's see. I was hoping it would move, but it is right. Whoops, sorry. It's that brown spot right there. There we go. I don't know what he's doing. I guess he's just hiding. All right, well, I'll see if I can get a picture when he runs away. Okay, it's zooming in too far, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get this to zoom back out. It's very strange. I cannot. He's just sitting down there and I cannot get my camera to zoom back out. I don't know what is going on. I'm gonna try to start this again.